Welcome back, guys. Resourceful Marcus here. Welcome back. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So I'm going to be hooking this new little product up I got here. It's a Nicrew Nano silent little pump to aerate in the aquarium. So I've never had one of these, so this is the unboxing. Now, they give you a little aeration stone with it. Give you a little check valve. And here's a little suction cup to hold it. They even give you a little control valve here if you want to lower and raise the air pressure in the line. They give you some extra tubing. Alright, so we're going to hook this little jewel up here and see what it does, guys. Never had one of these, just a small one. Supposed to be very quiet, pretty strong from what I read. I have read some customers say that they don't like it, that it's weak. That it don't last long. But what the hey, we're going to give it a whirl here, see what happens. Alright, so I'm going to be hooking this up. Now, I got a little biofoam filter here that I modified. Just give me a moment here, guys. Got it here. I'm using my own tubing. I got black tubing. I don't like the clear stuff. I prefer the black tubing. That's my preference. Anyways, set this up here. In this corner here. Just like that. Stay in this corner here. If I can get it to stay in that corner, that would be wonderful. Just give me a moment here, guys, because let's see here. Oh. Hopefully that's going to stay like that. Hook this up. Over here. For now, I'm going to have to get an extension cord to plug it in. Sorry I'm blocking the view here. I should be having the camera over this way showing you how I'm hooking the air line on. Alright, now I need to get let me pause the video for a moment, guys. I gotta get an extension cord. Alright, guys, sorry I had to pause the video for a moment. Anyways, I had to grab an extension cord. I'm going to plug this in now. Let's see what it actually does here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Alright. Quiet little, silent little nano pump. I got my bio foam filter there with the aeration stone in it. Nice amount of bubbles. Beautiful. And then it went on the side here. It just went on the side here with the little suction cup that they give you. They might put another suction cup. Maybe. Just because the airline's kind of tugging at it. Alright. Anyways, that should be more than enough air for these children that I'm going to put in here, the little fishy babies. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the Nano silent little aquarium pump made by Nicrew. Now this one's meant for 10 and 20 gallon, and then there's one they sell that's meant for 5 gallon and 10 gallon aquariums. Quiet. It's giving off lots of air bubbles, as you can see here. Over here in the filter there in the corner. Very nice. Alright guys, so that was just a short little video on setting up the Nicrew Nano Silent air pump for 10 to 20 gallon aquarium. Okay, short video. Thanks for watching. I'm going to sign off for now. We'll see you again soon.